Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 is in the house. Alright, want to welcome y'all to my blog, okay? Alright, what I want to talk about is I heard the news about Pat Sajak. So, after season 41, I can't believe it, after season 41, he's leaving Wheel of Fortune. So, he's going to retire. I would say leave CBS, you know? I mean, I bet somebody was saying, probably me or somebody else saying, Pat Sajak leaving. They're like, no, stop the world. That could never happen. Well, it's happening. Rich Fields mocked somebody when somebody say Bob Barker's leaving, The Price is Right, you know. So I want to say this. Pat Sajak is joining Bob Barker in the retirement seat, okay? After Bob Barker retired after 35 seasons on The Price is Right, so it's going to be after 41 years that Pat Sajak is deciding to step down and pass the mic to whoever going to replace him. Okay, maybe Vanna White going to be in the spotlight right there, and Maggie Sajak will probably be by the puzzle board. But who knows? Okay. Who knows what'll happen for season 42 of Wheel of Fortune? Okay? Alright, so unfortunately on that, Alex Trebek didn't have a chance to make it to retirement. You know, he loved hosting Jeopardy, you know. Yeah, he would have retired after season 38, you know. That Alex Trebek, that would have been his last season 38. With Amy Schneider and Matt Amodio and stuff like that, you know, Alex Trebek would have been impressed with Mateo Roach and Ryan Long, Erica Hazik, Megan Waspers, you know. Well, this ain't about Jeopardy or The Price is Right. This is about Wheel of Fortune, you know. But y'all know, I did not know for the life of me. I did not know that Chuck Woolery was the original host of the NBC version of Wheel of Fortune, you know. But before I was even born, you know, Chuck Woolery was on Wheel of Fortune. Because when I was a kid, I only watched Wheel of Fortune on CBS. Well, wait. Syndication of CBS, okay? Because here in New Orleans, before Katrina, Jeopardy came on at 4:30 on Channel 4. And then Wheel of Fortune came on at 6:30 on Channel 4 WWL. That's the CBS channel here in New Orleans. Okay? So yep, that's a CBS channel here in New Orleans. Alright? So I mean, like I said, Wheel of Fortune not gonna be the same without Pat Sajak. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be stronger, okay? Like The Price is Right with Drew Carey. It's not the same without Bob Barker. A lot of things didn't change on The Price is Right, but I still watch The Price is Right, you know? I still watch The Price is Right. Things changed on Jeopardy. I still watch Jeopardy, okay? Like I said, I watch Price is Right because of Bob Barker, even though Bob Barker ain't there no more, okay? I watch Jeopardy even though Alex Trebek is no longer on Jeopardy. And I'm going to still watch Wheel of Fortune when Pat Sajak is gone, okay? But, you know, everybody got to retire, you know. People got a life, you know. All right? So, Pat Sajak, if you're watching this, you're going to be truly missed on Wheel of Fortune. And I promise you, I'm going to still watch Wheel of Fortune after you retire, okay? Yes, I'm going to continue on watching it, I promise. Okay, as well as I'm watching The Price is Right with Drew Carey and Jeopardy with Mayim Bialik and Ken Jennings. Okay, I wish LeVar Burton would have took that job, you know. All right, so that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching, all right? Bye.